Hi, Paul. You got the hiccups? You got the hiccups, baby? But your eyes are open. Look at how pretty the little boy is. You watching the fan? Yeah, watch the fan. It's going around and around. Got the hiccups? Paul just ate a whole bottle of breast milk and he's just feeling fine. Uh-oh. Are we going to make noise? Let's see what you're wearing today. Oh, adorable little boy. There he is. Look at the big baby. Yeah. Okay.